Hello everyone, welcome to Shomax channel. In this video, I am going to do review on a watercolor paint set which I ordered through Amazon. And before doing coloring, let's see what are all the items included in this package. Now let's move on to the video. Well, these are all the items which is included in this package. We have 2 sponges and 1 tin box which holds the 100 set of colors, 3 brush pens, a pencil, eraser and a sharpener. And they do have a watercolor pad which says acid free, cold press paper and glue bound, which holds 25 sheets. And they have an 8 set of a brush pen. Sorry, it's not a brush pen, it's a brush. So they do have a cap on it. Yeah, they do have a cap on it so that it will be very safe and secure. Okay, and also a pouch for the tin box. Now let's see what all the colors we have in it. Let's see what is inside the tin box. Okay, they do have a swatch sheet and one mixing tray. Wow, the color looks so vibrant, and this box holds 100 colors and have some metallic colors. I think around 35 to 36 metallic colors, some fluorescent and some pastels. Now let's do coloring. And the best part is, in the swatch chart they do have the color name so that it will be very helpful. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to use one of the brush pens from this. I believe this one will be more comfortable for swatching. Yeah, let's get started. Wow, actually the color is super vibrant. The only one thing I feel is like the color is coming like a chalky kind of stuff. But this is the first time for me using the watercolor, so I'm not very sure about the real professional set. So what I feel is like some kind of powdery kind of stuff is coming out when I take the color. So once it is soaked with the water, I feel like literally taking the colors out from the color bar. Yeah, so that's the only thing, but I'm not sure whether this is how the watercolor will be, or yeah. So that's the thing, kind of a chalky kind of stuff is coming, and later I'll make a video of it too. So but according to the colors, yes, of course it is super vibrant. Yeah, I really love it. Let's enjoy. Well, finally we did a swatching, and these are all the 100 vibrant colors which is available in this set. And according to me, the colors are super vibrant, and it looks so good. And I'll show the close-up view of a metallic colors. Look how it's shimmer. It's really vibrant, and as well it's super glittery. So I love the way the color looks. Well, this is my first try actually, and this is the very first time I'm using the watercolor. So by watching an artist video, I slowly practiced some leaves and flowers kind of stuffs, and also how to blend it. So a lot of stuffs I tried. And here, if you are taking the colors directly from the palette, what it happens is like the chalky kind of stuff is coming out. If you are mixing in the mixing tray, then you are getting a better view, like this kind of stuff, like this kind of things. Okay, the chalky is here. You can see the chalky kind of stuff. Look, if you are directly mixing from the color bar, so you will get the chalky kind of stuff. Here I tried using the metallic colors. Look how it shimmers well. There is no doubt about it, the colors are super vibrant, there is no doubt about it. But only thing is, like, look, here you can see a lot of colors comes out because of the chalky kind of stuff. So because it's literally coming out in the brush. In next video I'll show you in detail what I mean it. Okay, yeah, if you are a beginner like me, then you can go ahead and try with this beautiful palette, because you have 100 colors, so that you can try many colors, so you will not get bored. because you have 100 colors and also the metallic colors, so you will not be get bored. The only thing is it's drying super fast. I don't know why. Even though you are having a lot of water in your brush, it's drying so fast. So that is also one of the reason if I want to mix up with the next leaf or something like that, it is not just blending it well. So whether I am doing it in a correct way or not, but this is my first experience. Well, if you like this palette, I leave the link in the description box so that you can go ahead and check it. Well, if you are a beginner like me, then this video will be very helpful for you. I hope you also enjoyed this video. If you like my video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also click on the notification button so that you will be get notified whenever I post a video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Until take care. Bye.